How to add a long bio on Instagram? It is possible, it is not. Let's find out now, okay? So first of all, I will pass the information on my Android, but it's the same information to all device, okay? So if you come to your Instagram, come to your edit profile, bio, you will see that you have a limited character amount to put on your bio, okay? And yes, that is impossible to put more than this number right here, okay? You need to add a link to your bio, okay? So you need to add an external link, and then on this link you put more informations, okay? I recommend the Linktree app, okay, because this is the best way to do this process in my opinion. So you need to create a Linktree account, okay, and you can do the same process on your computer too. After creating your account, after downloading the app, you need to log, and you will see these options right here, okay? Here you can add text, you can add other links. In my case, I added WhatsApp, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. So if you want to add, just click add new link, and here you can enter the URL that you want to use, okay? So after doing that, you click on this button right here and copy the link. Come to your Instagram and paste the URL that you copied there, okay? After doing that, you will see that you added a link to your bio, and after the person clicking on this bio, on this link, you will see that the person will see more information, okay? That is the only and the best way to do this process. I hope I helped you on how to add long bio on Instagram. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.